Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is science and nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Who invented the elevator? Is it A. Thomas Edison, B. Marshall Rivet, C. Maxwell Hoff, or D. Elisha Otis? The answer is D. Elisha Otis.
Elisha Otis didn't invent the elevator itself but revolutionized it with his safety brake in 1852. During a dramatic demonstration at New York's Crystal Palace, he cut the elevator cable, and to everyone's amazement, it stopped safely. This innovation paved the way for skyscrapers and transformed urban landscapes forever.
Question 2. What makes an animal a bird? Is it A. Feathers, B. Eggs, C. Wings, or D. Beaks? The answer is A. Feathers.
Feathers are the defining feature that sets birds apart from all other animals. They serve multiple purposes, providing insulation, aiding in flight, and even playing a role in attracting mates with their vibrant colors. Interestingly, feathers are made of keratin, the same protein found in human hair and nails.
Question 3. What is the word for a group of asses? Is it A. a caste, B. a pride, C. a brace, or D. a pace? The answer is D. a pace.
A group of asses is called a pace, a term that evokes the steady and deliberate movement these animals are known for. Interestingly, this collective noun reflects their calm demeanor, as donkeys have been valued for centuries as reliable pack animals capable of maintaining a consistent pace over long distances.
Question 4. What is the largest species of penguin? Is it A. Gentoo, B. Adelie, C. Emperor, or D. King? The answer is C. Emperor.
The emperor penguin, the largest of its kind, can stand nearly 4 feet tall and weigh up to 88 pounds. These majestic birds endure the harsh Antarctic winter by huddling together in large groups, rotating positions to share warmth. Remarkably, they can dive over 1,800 feet deep in search of food.
Question 5. What is the largest seaweed? Is it A. giant kombu, B. giant algae, C. giant sea lettuce, or D. giant kelp? The answer is D. giant kelp.
Giant kelp, the largest seaweed, can grow up to 2 feet per day and reach lengths of over 150 feet. This underwater marvel forms dense forests that provide habitat for thousands of marine species. Its rapid growth is fueled by photosynthesis, making it one of the fastest-growing organisms on Earth.
Question 6. What is the approximate radius of the Sun? Is it A. 6,960,000 kilometers, B. 69,600 kilometers, C. 696,000 kilometers, or D. 6,960 kilometers? The answer is C. 696,000 kilometers.
The Sun's radius is about 696,000 kilometers, making it so vast that you could line up over 109 Earths across its diameter. If the Sun were hollow, it could fit approximately 1.3 million Earths inside. This immense size fuels its gravitational pull, keeping our solar system in harmonious orbit.
Question 7. A male walrus is known as what? Is it A, a boar? B, a stallion? C, a bull? Or D, a buck? The answer is C, a bull.
A male walrus, known as a bull, can weigh up to 4,400 pounds and sport tusks over 3 feet long. These impressive tusks are used for fighting rivals and hauling their massive bodies out of icy waters. Despite their size, bulls are surprisingly agile swimmers in the Arctic seas.
Question 8. What common fungal infection is also known as tinea pedis and is highly contagious? Is it A, athlete's foot? B, yeast infection? C, jock itch? Or D, ringworm? The answer is A, athlete's foot.
Athlete's foot, or tinea pedis, thrives in warm, damp environments like locker rooms and swimming pools. This pesky fungus can even hitch a ride on your pet's fur. In ancient times, people believed it was caused by walking barefoot on cursed ground. Today, it's easily treated with antifungal creams.
As we orbit out of today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is the true gravity. Until next time, keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, stay safe and farewell for now. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.